Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods, and here I have one of the most beautiful furniture items, and it is also a collectible furniture. Wherever a jhula, a swing, hammock, unjal, uyyala, jhopala, all these names are for a jhula. Wherever you place this, it'll give you a different look to the place altogether. This is in solid teak wood. This is not any resin. This is not metal. This is solid teak wood in gold rush paint. As per the client's requirement, one of the most liked paint colors, Duco paint colors, and the overall look you can see how beautiful it has come out. The entire carving that you're looking at is hand carving made by humans, artisans, master artisans who know how to make such beautiful things out of logs of woods. And here it is. If you look at it, you can see it's in our showroom at the moment. And when it will reach the right place in the proper ambience where we have the proper wall color, the theme, the flooring, ceiling, and the drapes and everything, it'll give a amazing look, real amazing look once it is placed. And for that look, we have hundreds and hundreds of images from the testimonial section on the website that shows how the furniture look when it reaches the client place. These images are from the client's home. Once the stuff has reached their place, they have clicked the pictures and sent it back to us with the blessings and the love and more orders. And these orders comes when we get reference. Reference comes when someone is happy with their stuff. Then they refer you, let other people know, buy from here. And that is how we are getting so many orders. Coming back to the jhula, there's 7.5 feet left to right. From this corner to that corner, this will cover 7.5 feet of area. Total height till the highest point is 8 feet. Front to back, the pillar covers 42 inches, 3.5 feet of area. This is a 6-inch thick pillar, solid wood from the top to the bottom, a thick piece of wood, 6 inches whole tree is used in a single column, single pillar, both sides, and a thick piece of wood again on the top, a heavy bar. This is really heavy and strong, so it can hold the weight easily. 2-3 people easily can sit on this jhula. The seat is 5 feet out and out, and it's a 2.5-seater jhula, so 2 adults and a kid can easily sit. I'll sit on it, and you can see I'm sitting on this corner, and you can see the space we have left. I'm sitting quite comfortably, and the height is quite good. If the feet are completely in air, that is not also a comfortable position, because when you are sitting, the feet should be resting easily. See, you can see, and if I want, I can raise my feet and I can sit very comfortably on this unit. In teak wood, rush gold paint, and a beautiful unit. The work of these peacocks and a solid brass chain with animal figures. Here we have a peacock, an elephant, and peacock hooks on the top. Is a solid real brass chain in antique finish that gives the entire unit the strength, the durability, the long life, because teak wood is lifetime, the brass chain is also lifetime, and the look that we are creating here. What we are doing at Aarsun, basically, what we are doing is promoting the art. This is handwork, handicraft, and we are doing it across the globe. 55 countries we are delivering to, and entire India. This set is going to Nasik, and along with the console table that is here. This is 4.5 feet left to right. Height is 33 inches. Front to back, this is 20 inches. And again, you can see the master artisan work. This is all hand carving, beautiful carving, amazing carving done by local artisans. In fact, master artisans, as I call them, because local carpenters and even the machines cannot do this type of work. This requires an amazing skill that we have here, and the thousands of products we have made and delivered across the globe. And the best part, made to order, choice wala furniture, as I call it, because everything in this unit, the size, the design part, the coloring part, the gold rush duco paint, as I'm mentioning, the fabric of the seat, everything is as per the client's choice. So you choose and let us know, and we make it and deliver to your home at factory price. Aarsun is making it, you are receiving it. No middleman, no trader, no commission in the middle. So best price guaranteed, best deals at Aarsun in solid teak wood, best quality, and the brand of Aarsun. The design is right here, one of the most beautiful designs in swings, jhula, anywhere across the globe. Aarsun has the highest number of swing designs that you will get anywhere across the globe, and that with such masterful, that's amazing carving work and choice of colors, choice of fabric, the design, and choice of chains as well. If you go to our website, you will find several designs of chains listed there. If you like some other design, we'll provide that. On the top, if you can see, we have a bearing hook. So it's easy movement, no sound, and very smooth as well. Weight capacity is good. There is no issue of the weight capacity. Two, three people can easily sit on it. And the entire unit is again solid wood, will last years and years to come. The console table you're looking at here can be provided along with a mirror frame if you want, or as is if you want it. Anything in these units, color, size, design, fabric, can be changed as per your requirement. Just a small part, just like the animal figures we have in this unit. If you don't want the animal figure, just like some people don't want animal figures for the religious purposes, so we convert it to some designs instead of the animal figures, and that works. The design remains as is, just the animal part we convert to design. This is how it is done. So let us know what you want, what colors you want, how you are thinking, how you are imagining to decorate your dream home, and will help you in that. Hundreds of interior designers and architects are already doing it, sharing us designs, sharing us pictures, drawings, and we are making the designs as per their requirement. If you have one, if you need something really beautiful, amazing like this, contact us. The number is right here. We'll be happy to discuss your requirement. Thank you.